There are certain types of behavior or individuals that you may want to set boundaries with or limit your interactions with. In this video, we will talk about 8 types of behavior of people. You should ignore them immediately. Number 1. Toxic individuals. People who constantly bring negativity, drama, toxicity into your life can have a detrimental impact on your well-being. It's often healthier to distance yourself from such individuals. Manipulators. Individuals who manipulate or deceive others for their own gain may not have your best interest at heart. Be wary of those who use tactics to control or take advantage of you. Chronic complainers. Constant negativity can be draining. While it's okay for people to vent occasionally, those who constantly complain without seeking solutions might not contribute positively to your life. Energy drainers. Some people have a way of draining your energy with their constant need for attention, support, or validation. It's essential to maintain a balance in relationships. Gossips. People who habitually gossip or spread rumors can create a toxic environment. If someone is sharing sensitive information about others, they may not hesitate to do the same about you. Chronic takers. Relationships should be a two-way street. Those who constantly take without giving back can strain your emotional resources and may not be conducive to healthy connection. Constantly negative influences. Individuals who constantly bring a negative outlook to every situation can impact your own mindset. Surround yourself with positive influences for a healthier perspective. Emotional vampires. These are individuals who constantly seek emotional support but rarely reciprocate. It's important to maintain a balance in relationship and not be drained by those who constantly need reassurance or assistance. While it's okay to set boundaries and limit interaction with individuals exhibiting these behaviors, it's crucial to approach the situation with empathy and assertiveness. Keep in mind that everyone has flaws, and understanding differences can contribute to personal growth and more meaningful connection. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe.